boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. We have Wish Wednesday here, so that is beautiful. We have a wisher, you Sebastian 652 #2. You wish for 3 a.m. Poca Luz or something like that. Alright, so you wish for this song on my channel. You wrote a comment there, I read it, and then yeah, we are here. So that's how it works. You wish for songs and I bring them up here on Wednesdays. So let's go through this song here from 3 a.m. Let's start with a capo here set on the 3rd frets. So we have 4 different chords here to handle. So let's go over them first. That will be starting with C here, 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. Then we have this chord, I call it the C-B chord. What you do here, you just do like this. You place a finger on the 2nd fret A string, then open D, open G, still 1st B, and open E. So it's a kind of a transition chord here from C to the C-B. Then we have the A minor. So that is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. And then we have the G. So that is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. All right. So that's the chord progression from the beginning till the very end. C, C, B, A minor, and G. We'll now start with the melody. It's played in the intro, but also in the outro. So it starts and ends in the same way here. The C part goes like this. Okay, so what you need here is to place fingers on the 3rd fret A and 2nd D. I typically hold the full chord if I can, so sometimes I do it, sometimes not, but anyway, this is what you need. So you're gonna play 3rd A, 2nd D, 3rd A, short pause, and then 2nd D, and a clap. So you just alternate the 3rd A, 2nd D in this rhythm. So 3, 2, 3, 2, clap. With 3 and 2, I mean the frets there. All right, and then you will just make a smaller adjustment there to get this grip. So that is 2nd on A and 2nd on the D, and that is for the C-B chord. Same rhythm, same playing. It goes. So now it's the 2nd A, 2nd D, back to 2nd A, short pause, and then 2nd D, and a clap. And then we have the next chord here, that's the A minor. You now have this 2nd D string, that's all you need. You're gonna alternate that with the open A, same string, same rhythm, it goes. So that is open A, 2nd D, open A, short pause, then 2nd D, and a clap. And then we have the final chord, the G, that differs a little bit from the others, and it goes like this. So that is 3rd on E, then 3rd D, 2nd D, open D. And then you start all over again. So. So you start like that. I think it's 2 rounds you go in the beginning and then perhaps 2 in the outro as well. Not sure there, but you have to listen and then you just follow and play. Now we have the main part here, which is about the strumming here. And of course you use the same chords now, the C, C, B, A minor, and G in that order. Now let's go to the C since that is the first chord, and 1 string around will be down, up, clap, down. So down, up, clap, down. Down, up, clap, down. So it's a down and a short pause and then comes up, clap, down. You're gonna play 2 string rounds per chord. So to get the rhythm right, it goes like this. 2 rounds per chord, and it will be and so on. And you know what? That's really everything you need for this song. 3 a.m. Poca Luz or something like that. So nice song there. Thank you, Sebastian, for adding this to Gordon guitar, and I hope you enjoyed this. And all you 3 a.m. fans, we had more songs from 3 a.m. here before, and we will have him back for sure in the future. So if you like this artist, feel free to subscribe to this channel and support me here, and even wish a song for next Wednesdays. See you soon, guys, and play tuned.